was a mama in a aquaba, eba Ghana SMTVGH, mesra like, comment, subscribe with the notification so that anytime videos of this nature, upload it, Usamekabi, I'm also washe. Now let's go into the story. It was for Ashanti Regional Minister. Papa, Nisisi Kessia, Yefu Baby, ni bibi kiti. Mankashi, maybe a friend lady see on TikTok, and not make us as empire or see. Oh, say Amoakohene or TCT or na, or she JC. I say, what was an idea kitty, or the hygiene. You see, what to say, ye teaching Crawford. I say NDC for MPR, or call Netherlands, I saw him. Ko Netherlands do. Ko do one I say, Musoni, say then is here. I saw him. Say July. I say papa no what na ni machine. Nti Amoakohene gani. E dey rumors rumors but me dey me tikra me dey never catch them. But you see there is a deeper thing that we must pay attention to. NDC are buying way. They are succeeding in making Ghana unpopular. And I'm not surprised, say, Nipa bebree omo apply for visa to go and support Black Stars. So, Nipa 18 pen na yama visa. I'm not surprised. Because ultimately will be our cabinet, any cabinet, Council of State. Council of State, be our Council of State, so no. Now, or a link to fraud. To the extent, say, you go for any paper babonte. And Sasem no, Qatar for businessman no, and the Qatari government na almost yeah. And from there, you see, say, obese with me making the way to parliament. I'm not a fraud guy. And I'm not to do or say only NDC for never daily. And then NDC for say, or modis only papa no. Yeah, my modis only in there. Papa no NDC ni. Yeah. Emma be under that. Or NDC ni. And Oscar said, only NDC for now business into a part of the majority caucus of parliament. And then I no. And when you hear revelations, no position for easy. Easy. Kana sika for be brave wa. Almost source of wealth. Maybe I'm just cannot free no be so ma. Eye kotomponi and stories nkwa na omeka kire. Obit me sorry ka kire oze. Or the tomato bag. The tomato factory. Upsan say, obit me sorry say, no every day now or tricky boss 5,000. Hey, and the Bema Abrante boss 5,000 1 every day. Now when you sky a little private jet in Yamanama. My pressure keke. Pressure one see we have Branty now person who call the right way. I said, who feel say, oh, maybe you are not doing well enough. I said, when you're hard working. And I'm mowing so more pressure. I say, that been a better rest, no, I've been also better infinity, no. When you na we should have been for we need, so I branch for Muka and this in one, we are fraud you. Say, I tell you, to carry a bit number, baku. This is a more too coin. And I said, we cry, I said, more sick, I am Emidio. They said, I'm going to mean to coin view. So, one to coin so not 2029 NPP bar. Or one of them say, we are see it there. Sir, the vision for still now, ye studio contributions, no so, and also donations, no so. For some time now, donation being by it, we are still around 12,000 Ghana cedis, 13,000 more to go. By GDC, Mbeboye, Ama, drew a year 25,000 so that we can bring this beautiful vision to pass.
Gold concession ya dey na sana bibi team. Fella. Eje o de kasa na wan kasa meka asema mama no yi meka ntu de kasa why na meka ma no ntu
guy no was central region on one hunana
guy bay
yes wo mo be na why you
yeah esando ye yi no ono ne papa video bi am say aguna sunsum no
oh
ye yi no
me no na pese mbusa
okay we are ready so to see no am miss you Sambe
ono zo waka dey akwachi no
papa we wakasa
me follow ni pa say
ani mpeni ntem yeah
but me dey say me nim asem the comment here
niati omachi no oka say ginapo fo no omo nko a no munim electricity ho ade e na ya fa o ma asem oka ya ni wanka bibi boni bia anka ho
there be let see anya sa ya see akwa na yesi onyo hin na ko report no say odidi na tem
ya ohene no so akwa report no but no dey say Dr. Mahmood Bawumia nso esiu no because why first one ye mbua no second time and so siu no na fe yanhwe which is which on siu internationally nya Ghana hompo
na and some
human rights internationally
na say obi antimi nka semfo obi hu I say
yensro ya beka onyo ohene
ono na onye relevant the guy am me mfa ono onye papa onye obi o so ohene obi ohene nkasa sa but ni say obi wano e wo fon so na wa kire wa adwene de bi e befre wa na say no Kevin tell mun kwan de be jo mo di atene na say de ahwebia na
say ya kan ya no tuma na omo betumi afa ye so ya nka ya no antuma na ya no bro omo de so a omo ntumi nya ye foko jo mahama wani mu fi me na maka wontumi nya me fo
asemu de ama de odwan nche
ya ngabusiafo nyina mechiachi am ano ya de mefro ha ye mpanimfo no na mebo o maba so the way o munyina timi tudi abrantie tia o munyina ko regional headquarters ni say ya na ye hwehwe no de o maye ama vim no kosoro o mo starte ne ntema kanru ha mani age enadwuma o modie no nyame nhira obi bia na meka to asonye se mo aye we ni ntina wa mo adwuma yi ye beto ama ye be yiwa free so na ba no na de o maye ade pa
me mo anu nsi for now no children pedifo music come no fa assemble music mobilize ekono yes ne first no
o we dia tina na dia mebo maba so na dia o ma ya dia o ma mo
ne kwa me friend so our twin brother o internet twin brother na edi nsemone ne nyono a
ayo no dia ya chira se
our Facebook is here
no
onyo masa onyo kasa
ayo se continue to dey okwa report there na nya Ghana police ne betie na asema e dey na okwa report ama
agunu Thomas amemfa na no nsi na wa
and for now no you check way back 2008 ya na empanifo no say asemusi ba na o musiki kan mo e wo supporters nen ti say eni enka apia stadium nyina nka yin lusu mu to other side o mo so mo nkwasiafo de but omo so mo ye adwuma eboa serial call adwuma no those time omo pa ne gina one kwakume nkin mo ne san krofo no omo na kasama NPP okuma se those time but e base ye share ne car wonya kamafo no oso wanyi obi ama na nyina chire ma na bamubu ye oluko gina do mama koto car ma na ko ye ne fan be na timi mobilize na simbia ba ne ya ye hu because ya NPP for the say do NPP esitie but e basa wo ya na du asam to no wanya kamafo na obi free other side bebo a ene ma akoye ekodo nipa no kapia study say there's no way I till radio for those time 2004 eba no there's no way na pia study bit me NDC ni because you know see do serial call adwuma no with on me ka pa on kwaku menkin guy no so fitani was afumakum o mo na ye NPP serial caller e wo eyisu o mo ntebrofo be bi on be frɛ akɔ o masem but the boss here share ne ka 2008 wanya kamafo no na ba mu buye adwoma ma to ka ma no Say ke timi starting say ya chi obi nwa semba say na ke nyina timi oblaje say ya. San komu nyina komu da so ka ho. Baby adru na mpanifo ne ba obi say general secretary ejina headquarters e support ordinary supporter o TikTok and say omun koso nye ne sa ne mema base na strong na a microphone sum cry de metima kanono
Meda se same o pese o sia na ma mesiu
pachi obetima simi
pachi
meda se
agu the floor is you
me ma men ka stand back kontra wansan wako oh enka me ka tense sisi aye wo new base nti asa apia stadium no omo time atwem sisi aye wo new era with new base
oh ladies
man crampo betumi aye no more
unim say enka me on the normal circumstance unim me ka meka but e to da e o se ye kika nsem bi sei na empenifo ni di hu bebi a ye free free ase nti na me ma na kan no agu yenkwe
ama medase I mean shira obi bia ene me monitor abranti na me age ena mbusas me busa me ho se enti mpanimfo yi ubetima ye we na from 2025 man fa nyina mama se be the spirit no amehye atitafo ana youth na wo party nim ami amfa anya adwuma on se bio ewo mu se mumu biti abonten se ebia ye hash wo mo so ana ye cassette yo mo ba on se ye TikTok activities ni edwumadie ni ye kasa ye ka no aye the result ene metiba bi kra no obi frem no say Monkofo ne yese o makeka mu mu NPP mpanimfo yese o mama party no emu be ye de ama youth no na me say yes yese 2016 spirit no esaba party ni mu biem ese nipa eka bibia o mohu onye intimidated obayire no no aye adwuma sede party no ebesa papawa ene a police for na GNDC adwuma omoye adentia because omunyanya uprising bia omunyanya sebi opposition party a omaka bomaye baako amu omunyina enkene ade we ye na bia nationally and all the regions nipa 200 ye nyina ya be campo e police station ho and headquarters ho na nke ya hwe police ni a oma hiye mpia ne ka be pie ami ya hwe si ya da ho omo so be da ho yesi obofo bebre yi otwen so bebre si yeda ho a police for musumu ka enya den empie musum beda ho but I know say this beginning no I am happy my soul is happy na memeka mesu ye NPP ni na wo kasa wo app yi so abo ho ban eduabo sinapo nkosuo kototo bi gu ho because nkwasiasɛm no ya adoso NPP for ye ni atem ye speak to the fact Ninkofo omo beka ye ni nyina no omo ne ye ka wo mo sabi mpreduasa ye wura John Dramani Mahama ne competency ene ye ka ho asem obi amagina ho eni natem se ne ya ka bibi e wo app isu no ofili se ade na ya ka no enya oma ye ho kwan ni yeso ye meden ye metre ya adwe na se te wo ma police fo ebe hunahuna ye na we police ni na wa adwene ya wo se would be use position ya de ama na wo party aba ma kai hu se wo ma wo abusua wo namfo ho na sebio wote wo na wo power na agiri se wa ne woga na wu na aba hu se wo funu kro obitimi kotu ni asa to akone we police ni afase otrim se wo wu na ye kosi wo funu ni yesie wu ya 3 days obi ko akotu no wa broskoto wa to akone evi se wa adwene eni fie ene hwede yemode ye chairman abronye aden ya wakoka asem bi ama bi ati ade na ade judge no sabio enye won na teni mmra aden na judge no on file civil case against events abronye ade na Kevin Taylor on fanya judges wo kromo a even Supreme Court judges Kevin Taylor do money mu ye form wan na ma ye ti Kevin Taylor NDC for nkura sebi omumotu omkanka omusia proper omugu social media iso edi NPP for mpanimfo atem edi akufo ado atem na lawyer bi yeso won na wini akwatia by election na minhu lawyer fun won anum kan nkwasiasɛm sa te se NDC ni lawyer na wini akwatia election no se an nkura bi bedi akufo ado atem na nkura no ye pamu omu free school akufo ado hwe ya Ghana fo di na tema na okasi ensan fa nkura no bra na mse lawyer nyam betwia wo ne wo maka Ukaze Akufuado, Sebi said, I didn't born in the one in trim.